Chef Amanda Schonberg never imagined running two successful businesses, but she turned dreams into reality. After years of feeling trapped in food service management, one unexpected moment changed Amanda's career path forever. When a customer asked for a custom cake, she saw an opportunity to shine and took the chance. The joy of that first cake led to the founding of Chef Schonberg Sweets in 2015, creating alcohol-infused desserts. With celebrity clients and high demand, Amanda became a beacon of inspiration for aspiring bakers everywhere. Seeing the need for guidance, she launched Baking for Business to help others navigate the baking industry. Her innovative approach includes serving before selling, encouraging bakers to connect with and support their communities. Amanda crafted her courses with affordable pricing, allowing many aspiring bakers to gain crucial business knowledge. Sharing her own vulnerable story became a powerful tool, inspiring many to pursue their passion despite challenges. If Amanda could transform her dreams into a thriving business, so can you. Your journey starts now.